How to download Metatrader 5 application on Android. So if you want to download Metatrader 5 application on your Android, then first open up your Play Store and make sure that you have a stable internet connection. So once you've opened your Play Store, go for the upper side, tap on the search bar and search for Metatrader. Once you've searched here, you will have the application. Tap on the install button to install or download the application. So it might take some time depending on your data or your Wi-Fi connection to download the application. But once it's downloaded, you will have the open button on the right side. Simply tap on the open button and you can create your account or log into your account. So tap on open once it's installed. And here you can simply choose open a demo account, or you can open your other accounts or log into your account if you already have an account. Tap on accept and that's it. That's how you can download your Metatrader 5 application on your Android device. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.